Welcome. In front of me is a HUAWEI MatePad T10s, and today I'll show you how to record screen on this device. And to get started, let's pull down the notification panel, and in here you should find the screen recorder toggle, which for me is right over here. And in normal circumstances, you would be able to hold the toggle and go to the settings, but this recorder has literally no settings, so you can simply tap on it, allow access to storage and a microphone, because that's all it really needs and that's all of its features. So tap on OK, and it gives you a quick guide. So the red square along with the timer, who would have thought, gives you a length of recording, which you can also stop from there. And then microphone right here is the toggle on or off mic. Now there is no way of recording, I believe, the internal sound, so the sound that, for instance, the device will make, like music and stuff like that. And there's only the microphone. Stop and got it, and it will automatically start recording. Also, you can see that it comes with the mic being by default enabled, so if you don't want that, turn it off. And now whatever you will be doing will be recorded. As you can see, whenever I'm swiping, it creates this gray semi-transparent dot following my finger. That is so you can see on the recording where the user was pressing on the display. And once you're done, simply tap on the stop button. Recording saved to gallery, a message pops up, and there we go, it's now finished. I'm gonna mute it, and now I'm gonna go to the gallery just to show you the recording. So there it is, and from here we can tap on play. Let's allow access to storage, and there we go. Give it a moment. Now, as you can see, the toggles that were right here are not visible in the recording. But yeah, that's basically the recording. And that is how you would capture it. So, if you found it helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.